Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and capability with the 2026 Ford Motorhome. A bold fusion of innovation and durability, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and performance. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and thoughtfully designed living area that blends modern styling with everyday functionality. The living room area features a large flat-screen infotainment display, a premium surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The kitchen comes fully equipped with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and ample storage for extended travel. The bedroom offers a luxurious king-size bed for long-haul comfort, while the ensuite bathroom includes high-quality fixtures and smart water-saving technology, ensuring home-like convenience wherever you travel. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ford Motorhome showcases a bold and commanding presence. Its muscular yet aerodynamic design improves highway stability while maintaining Ford's signature rugged appeal. The exterior is finished in a durable, weather-resistant paint coating designed to withstand long-distance travel and harsh environments. A large, power-retractable awning creates an ideal outdoor living space, while heavy-duty alloy wheels and subtle Ford badging enhance its confident look. Built on Ford's reinforced commercial-grade chassis, this motorhome delivers excellent load capacity, durability, and road confidence without compromising drivability. Every exterior detail reflects Ford's focus on strength, reliability, and long-term performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is engineered to handle demanding journeys with ease. Power comes from a robust, turbocharged V8 engine designed for towing, hauling, and extended road travel. Paired with a heavy-duty suspension system, it provides a smooth and controlled ride, even on uneven terrain. The advanced automatic transmission delivers precise and seamless gear changes, ensuring optimal performance across different driving conditions. Additionally, the Ford Motorhome is equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera support, making maneuvering this large vehicle easier and safer than ever. It truly balances capability with comfort. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Ford Motorhome positions itself as a premium yet competitive offering in the luxury RV market. With an estimated starting price of around $350,000, it delivers strong value compared to ultra-luxury rivals, while still offering top-tier features and performance. This pricing includes advanced safety systems, premium interior appointments, and Ford's renowned reliability. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just purchasing a camper, you're investing in freedom, durability, and long-distance confidence. To sum up, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is a powerful combination of luxury, strength, and modern technology. It delivers comfort, reliability, and performance in a package built for serious travelers. Whether you're embarking on cross-country adventures or enjoying extended road living, the Ford Motorhome is designed to deliver on every journey. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.